guys, I am so into karate these days. It's like my favorite thing to do. And I love the uniform. I've seen them in white, black, and red. I have the white one. And of course, you need to have the belt too. And you put it on like this. Cross it, and under. Then you tie it up one more time. That's over. There we go. How cool is that? I'm an orange belt recommended. I have this orange stripe. The orange one tells me that I have to test one more time to get my real orange belt. Ah, yeah! If I get my orange belt, I'm gonna just jump around. This is my orange belt dance. Yeah! Yeah, I got my orange belt! That would be very awesome. I started taking karate because I was really looking at karate shows and stuff and karate movies. And I really wanted to learn some karate. And also, I knew that it would help me with my strength in dancing. I've been getting really strong, so that's good. One thing I have to learn about is discipline. Yeah, that's not a move. It's when you have to stay focused and get stuff done. I'm very disciplined. Well, not all the time, but I'm working on it. In class, there is no funny business. If there is funny business, you have to sit down for a long time and you get your belt taken away. But anyways, yeah, karate, I'm totally freaking out about it. Aya! Yeah, okay, bye. Hey guys, do you want to freak out with me? Don't forget to subscribe. Push the button. I mean, I totally would. Come on, you can do it. Just push the button. Yeah, party time, yeah!